Let you go for like 5 minutes and you miss me turning it up. Welcome back to Mid-10, y'all. Already in the combine this morning. We got her serviced. You know, that's my wet shirt. I have already sweated through it. It's nice and steamy out this morning. The air is good and thick. Good and thick. So what we got done so far, we finished the field over there. Finished that yesterday, and we got moved over here to the east field. We probably got about half it cut, and we should be able to finish it today as long as everything runs good. So far, things been running good. The new cutter bar is working pretty good, so everything's going smooth enough. So we got this cut. Got a little triangle right here, got a little triangle on the other side, and got a little bit left in the very back. Not a whole lot. And now it already is a little bit later. It has been. We get started about, well, yesterday I managed to get started about 9:30. Today is 11. When we're gonna start running. It's alright. That's better than Monday. Monday we didn't really get going till like 4. We had to change that cutter bar. Got this still took care of. Got about half tank in there. So not too bad. We turned out pretty good on this farm, considering. Field over there did a lot better. This field had quite a few wet spots. Y'all probably noticed the grass in those wet spots of grass and outgrew the wheat. The wheat probably drowned it out, but that's alright. Part of it. So I'm gonna get this dumped in the semi and we'll get ready to move. Oh, I think it's like about 15 miles from here, 16 miles. So it'll take us about an hour. It'll take us about an hour to get the combine over there. Probably move trucks first. I don't think we're gonna take the grain cart. And she's right there on the old 2090. I believe we're just gonna stick it back in the shed for now. There hasn't been much of a line at the granary. Talk to them, it looks like as of right now, we're the only ones bringing in dry wheat. Bet today more people will be bringing stuff in. Tomorrow for sure. But I'm thinking with both dump trucks plus the semi up to where we're moving to now will be plenty. I thought that before, been wrong, but we'll give it a shot like it is. Gotta save us some time on moving. Well, it's been about 2 hours. Finally getting ready to move combine. Had to, you know, do the header shuffle and get moved back. We'll be ready to go here directly. I can fill my cup up. Done got one dump truck down there, got the head down there. There goes that dump truck. and I'll be dragging the rear up in the combine. And hopefully we don't run into nobody. I have noticed with the higher price of gas, though, that there ain't as much traffic on the road as there was. And to scoot over with a log truck, you can't scoot over without flipping over. Car behind us, they're trying to hit me in the butt and you get past. There's a car coming, friend. You better get behind me. There you go. Idiots. It's a double yellow line, y'all can tell. Oncoming traffic. Hey, how you doing? And Dilly behind me keeps trying to pass. Well, here he comes again. More cars coming. Get back behind me, friend. There you go. Get back behind me. We ain't going to pass. Go. Gas on it, man. Gas it. Double yellow. Oncoming traffic. I'll say it like this. I don't care if they don't get where they're going safe. I care if I get where I'm going safe. I don't see how that boy's gonna bring an S-series combine up through here. It's got the sit tolerance 9500. Yeah, so that's a good one. There's a few fields up the end of this road and a bigger farm. They run a couple of S-series, S9s, whatever they are. The biggest John Deere combines they run. I'm pretty sure they sit taller than this 9500. I'm like 99% sure they sit taller. I don't know how they come up this road without hitting every darn tree limb, because I'm hitting tree limbs. They're actually hitting the top of the cab as I go underneath them. And we don't run an extension or nothing on this. Well, we got a semi behind us. We got to make a left-hand turn this passing lane, or this passing zone. Maybe he won't try to pass me. Got the signal on. Maybe he's paying attention. I think he is. Once we can make it up through here without getting hurt, we'll be doing fine. And we are at our destination. Let you go for like 5 minutes and you missed me tearing it up. Pulled the cutter bar in half. I mean, looks like it's wore anyways. It's been wore. Not that big a deal. If you can see this, it's a splice kit. I pulled it in half before. So we'll get the splice kit out. We'll get tools out. We'll fix this. Get that lined up. See how this thing works. I need to remember to order another one too, since I'm about to use mine. Well, that's good. It's all stuck to the plastic. Good deal. And that's what it looks like. And that's what it's looked like when and that is what it looks like when you're done. As you can see, you're at, where's the brake at? Right there. The brake was just right there. See, the brakes are right there when I was at. This is a factory lap splice, but I broke it right there. You can see the bottom of the splice. It got recessed Allen head bolts in it. Top's normal. So we'll get her stuck back together. And sweat it through my shirt. Feels good outside. Good and steamy. Good and steamy. We got a pretty good bit cut down here so far. It is getting close to 7, and right now our local grader is staying up until 7. Jesse's down there in line right now, so I think for this evening I'm just going to fill the semi up, roll the tarp over, and I'll haul load in the morning. Of course, I still need to cut one more load for the semi, and then wait for Jesse to get here. Cut one more load and we'll be done for the night. Down here, so woods all the way around everywhere. Woods everywhere. I probably jumped up at least a dozen deer, if not more, that have been bedded down out in the wheat. So, and I have been running the head a little bit higher. One reason, that way I'm not leaving as much straw behind me to plant through. 2, running a little bit higher, I don't get bones up in the head. You don't want that, don't ask me how I know. On the phone, get out of here. If y'all saw the wheat shaking like that, there's a phone running through it. He's that way. We'll try not to run him over. Welcome back to Pet 10, y'all. Oh, you know, we've been at it all day today. So I didn't exactly think we'd get as much cut as we did today. But we have managed to cover quite a bit of ground. We're on our last field. It's about 14, 15 acres. We probably got about a third of it cut so far. Wheat's running pretty good. And this stuff down here is probably the cleanest wheat of my wheat anyways. A few little tree limbs fell over. Little clump of wheat right there. That's a tree limb in that. Yep. We just cut around it. This little field ain't too big. I've managed to jump up a deer out of every field down here, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields. The bigger field, probably jumped at least a dozen deer out of it. There's 2 little medium-sized, well, I'd say medium-sized. Actually, this is a medium-sized one. They're small and extra small field. So the small fields, there's a couple of phones better down than them. Since I'm running the head higher, I was able to just drive right over top of them. They never got up until I passed them. Then they got up and run off. The real small field it had one doe laid out in the middle of it. And then this field had two small bucks that were back in that corner. They were just, I say just getting their horns. Right now they're probably little bitty 4 points, but are still and growing. Their horns are probably only like that long. Nice and velvety, looking good. New nose cones, working good. No, destroyed one of them last year. Destroyed that one. No, Dylan Joyce told me, hey, just get you some short ones. Don't even worry about getting long ones. He was right. They work great. I do have the long add-ons to these. I don't know if I'll run them or not. I might not. But I'm really enjoying the short ones. They work good. That's all she can hold right now. I'll swing over here and put some in a little heavy Chevy. Then all we got to cut is that little dab right there. So we about got her booked. That way cut. We just got this little dab right here. That's it. And I might have threw my alternator belt. Bet I did. Get up here and unload this thing while we're still moving. That's got everything right there, folks. Weed is wrapped up. Now we just need to plant wheat beans. No big deal. Get out and check my low voltage light too. I'm pretty sure I threw the belt on that, or it broke. We'll check that out real quick. Nope, I bet my alternator died. Alternator might have died. My alternator might have died. Yep. I'll have to bring it back. Okay. Yeah, my voltage light come on right when I was unloading. Well, that's a good spot for you on that. Yep. Alright, we're gonna move trucks. Get things out of this humid moisture this evening. And we'll finish up tomorrow. Like always, good Lord willing, catch you on the flip side. Till the next.